All right, we got a leaky tap here. This one doesn't leak, but when I turn the water onto the cold, it slowly drips. We're gonna try and pop the top of this off and see if there's a cartridge in there. Get the top off. I just used a Olfa knife. Looks like we need a Phillips. All right, I got the handle off. So it looks like I'm gonna try and have to spin this thing here. Spin that off and get this. Maybe there's something in there, hopefully. I don't have to take the whole faucet off the sink. Alright, so I got this unscrewed. So what you need to do is put a rag over it and use your big adjustable pliers. So let's get this unscrewed. Ooh, there's a lot of crud in there, gross. So let's get this cleaned off. And I think we're gonna have to spin this nut. I broke that loose. Let's see what's in here. Okay. There's that piece. And a washer. Alright, so we're gonna get a new washer and we're gonna take this to the hardware store. All right, I found a new one. Took me a couple days, but I found one. So here's the new cartridge. Looks a lot better. So we'll put that in and test out this faucet. All right, we got the water turned back on and it looks like that fixed the problem.